So, how to make a vampire eyes in DaVinci Resolve? Here's how you do it.
So, make sure your clip is ready and go to Color tab. Click the node and press Alt plus S. Then go to Power Windows and add a circle. Adjust it to eye. Then go to Tracker window and click forward. Do the same for the other eye. Then go to color wheels, and if you want to make your eyes white, crank the offset to right, crank gain to right, and gamma to right. Maybe decrease a contrast a bit. If you need, adjust the eyes a little bit. Then make another node by clicking Alt plus S. Go to Power Windows and make a small circle in the iris. Then go to Tracker Windows and track. Do the same for the other eye. Then go to Curves, drag the right corner to down. Go to Power Windows and adjust the softness and transform. Do the same for the other eye. You can change the color of your eyes on the middle node. Now let's make a mask for the eye sockets. Go to Power Windows, click Curve, just click the eye sockets. This is only one mask, so go and make this kind of bridge to the other eye. Now you have this weird looking thing, but follow the mouse cursor. Click that and click the other one. Then go to Tracker window and track it. Adjust the softness on the Power window. So this is not this sharp. Then go to Key and Key Output. Lower the gain so it blends better. This is the results.
Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. As always, have a great one. See ya. Bye.